if you've only got a small budget, you just want to start out targeting the most specific keywords to your product. So for example, if we use Matthews and looking at his title, we can start to perhaps understand what are the main keywords that he's targeting. So for example, it might be large window bird feeder. And if you need to do some additional keyword research, then you might want to just grab one of these keywords and put it into Merchant Words or Helium 10 or whichever research tool you prefer. And again, if you're not sure what you can do, put it into Amazon and just see what comes up on the first page. This one's they're looking for a shepherd's hook, so more of a hook to put the bird feeder on. So we're just trying to go down and find the most relevant keywords. Now, cardinal bird feeder, I believe that's a specific type of bird feeder. And again, if you're not sure, we can just put that into Amazon. So it looks like this sort of roundish one with the mesh. So again, not Matthew's product. So you get the idea. Metal, Matt's is acrylic. Large bird feeder, that might be one that we want to target. And you only need to start with 5 to 10. So 5 to 10 of the most relevant keywords. So I've got a little example. So examples of specific keywords. And again, this depends on the marketplace. Cat collar might be too competitive in the US. So then it would be about getting to that next level of specificity and just focusing on the color, blue cat collars. Is it particular features? Is it adjustable? Does it have that breakaway latch diamante? So the more specific we can get, the more likely that the people searching for these keywords will buy from you. So for mats, if we type in bird feeder, we can see that if we were targeting ads for this, you're competing against all different types of bird feeders. You've got these hanging ones with the mesh, you've got metal ones that are more decorative. So when someone's typing in this keyword, bird feeder, it's more of a what we call top of funnel search. So there's not that level of intent in terms of, you know, what type of bird feeder do they want? Whereas something like acrylic bird feeder, then we know that's more closely aligned to the product that we're selling. So someone typing in acrylic bird feeder, there's a higher chance that someone will buy when they're typing those really specific phrases in. So hopefully that makes sense. And again, within that acrylic bird feeder, you've got different shapes. So as the more specific we can be, generally the better these campaigns will do. So I settled on 5. You can see they're quite specific. So window bird feeder, Maps has got suction cups, so suction cup bird feeder window. And this one's quite long, so strong suction cups, that's seems to be quite an important feature. Acrylic, and then another way to, another close variation would be plastic bird feeder. All right, so we'll go back to creating the campaign. So we're doing keyword targeting. Now, Amazon will give you suggestions on what keywords to use. Generally, they're pretty broad. So I always like to do my own keyword research, can see you've got bird feeder, window bird feeder, that's okay. Squirrel feeder, no, that's not what we want. Bird seed, bird house. So generally you seem quite broad in terms of the suggestions here. So we're just going to use the list that we've come up with. So you can just click on enter list.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are over 2,500 of us now. We're actually the largest professional community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do, and of course how we can help you either get started or indeed build your own e-commerce business, grow and build your own business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath this video in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.